Hi everyone, Brendan here with the Ausable River Association. Today I'm going to be answering a question as part of our Ask Us Anything video series. And the question is, what alternatives for road salt are being tested? It's a great question. The unfortunate answer is there is no silver bullet that we can just switch to all of a sudden and we're going to stop putting salt down on our roads. So the things that we are encouraging highway departments in the state to explore are ways of using salt more efficiently. So there's a couple of different things that go along those lines. One is investments in new plow technology that allows the plow to physically remove more snow and ice off of a road so that less material comes down out of the back of the truck. These have different names. Often you'll hear live edge plow or two-stage plow, but the general concept is the blade of the plow is able to conform to the irregularities in the surface of the road. Another thing that we're encouraging folks to do is make sure that they're calibrating their spreading equipment. So this means once or twice or even more times per year actually measuring the amount of salt that's coming out of the back of the truck. The reason this is important is as an operator is going about their plowing duties, as they're changing the application rate in the cab of the truck, we want to make sure that that's corresponding to what they think is coming out of the back of the truck. And so that means regular calibration of equipment throughout the season. And that can help save the amount of material coming out of the back of the truck. There's other alternatives that can be explored as well, and New York State DOT is looking into and adopting some of these. One of them is using brine, which is a liquid form of salt, on the roads before a storm. And these are called anti-icing practices. And the whole point of this is to prevent the bond of snow and ice to the road surface so that when that plow comes through during the storm, it can get a clean scrape off of the surface of the road. We don't have hard pack forming on the road surface. And then the last thing that we're doing is working with the state and certain municipalities to install automated vehicle location equipment on their trucks. And this allows a highway supervisor or regional manager for DOT to see where their vehicles are and how much material is being put down. And this can help them figure out how to optimize their operation in a way that wasn't possible just a few years ago. So those are the main things that we're focusing on to reduce salt use in the Ausable River watershed. If you have a question for us, feel free to leave it in the comments down below or email them to voice@ausableRiver.org. Thanks.